Here of chart, one of the picture of chart here on the screen. In this way the chart is coming, or we can create. In this, what is the plot area? Plot area consists of a chart, axis and grid lines. उसमें क्या होते हैं? एक्सेस होते हैं, एक्स एक्सिस, वाई एक्सिस एंड ग्रिड लाइंस होती है. ग्रिड लाइंस मीन्स रोज एंड कॉलम्स, like in your mathematics you can use the chart. Okay, now this axis and grid lines chart, this total area is called as a plotted area. That area is called as a plotted area. Now what is axis? What is axis? The axis is the horizontal and vertical lines that intersect to on the bottom left corner. On the bottom left corner it can be what? It can be, one second, it can be adjusted or joined in the on the plot area. There are two axes, one is x-axis and second is y-axis. Now x-axis represent the horizontal line and y-axis represent the vertical line. That we know that. These are the basic things. The legend, what is legend? Legend identifies each data series in a chart. If we have a chart, in that chart, that each series that can be identified in the chart, that is called legend. So that unique pattern, that unique, we can apply the unique pattern, we can apply the unique color to each and every series. Means we can easily differentiate our data by graphically. That is called legend. What is grid lines? These are the horizontal and vertical lines in a plot area. These lines makes it easier to identify the value of each data point. मतलब हर एक डेटा पॉइंट को वो आइडेंटिफाई करती है हॉरिजॉन्टली एंड वर्टिकली. I will show you the graphs. I had made one of the chart here. It is already made. This chart. This chart I had type here. What is in this chart? There is a name and subject name, math, science and English. And here are some students name, and they got the marks in that respective subject. So this is one chart I had made here. Now if we have to plot the graph of this chart, first you have to just select this series, go in the insert tab and select one of the chart from chart group. Here are the chart group upside. Here are the chart group. You can select anyone. I had selected one chart. Now what this chart shows, here is the plot area. Have you seen the plot area? This is the complete plot area. Means this is called as a plot area, which consists of the whole chart. This is a y-axis, this is axis. Axis means both the center point of axis, 0 point. This is 0 point. This is x-axis, the arrow is showing there, and these are the grid lines here, 1, 2, 3. So these are the grid lines here. And here are the legend. This is called legend. What this legend? This legend identify each and every data series. Which data series? This data series we had type here. All these data series can be shown here. Math, science and English. So these are the components we can see in the chart. Now how these components are working? It is directly they are placed. If we are selected this series and apply any chart, they are automatically comes, and this legend also come here automatically. If we want to change the color of this legend, their size, that we can manage. Now see, first we see the different types of chart. Now these are the some components, 7 components. plot area, axis, x-axis, y-axis, legend, grid lines, and data point marker. These are the 7 points. They can be appear on the chart. Now the next topic, how to insert the chart. See, and the types of chart. Let us move the next topic, that is types of chart. There are different types of chart. The first chart is column chart. The first chart is column chart. They include 2D column, 3D column, cylinder, cone, and pyramid chart. These are the sub types of chart. The main type is column, and 2D, 3D, cylinder, cone, and pyramid. These are the subtypes of column chart. What is the main function of this chart to choose? If we are selecting this chart, what is the main function? This chart are useful for showing the changes all the time and comparing the items. If we have a number of items and that we have to compare, that we can compare across this column chart by using this chart. See, let us do the practical. I have column chart here. See, I delete this chart from this position, and we will make the same chart again here. These are the names. Now, for that purpose, what we have to do, we have to make one of the data just like this. This data you have to type. If you have ready-made, then it's okay. You just select this data, then you go in the insert tab, then you go in the column chart here, where in the chart group, column chart. Here you can go, you can select any chart. Here 2D, 3D, then again different more column charts are here. Stack, 100% stack, 3D cluster, anyone you can select and OK. The same chart will be appears on your Excel sheet. In this way you can use this chart. In this way. Now here the chart is coming. First, what we have to do, we have to just select the data and click on the insert tab. Select the column chart, any column chart you can select. After selecting, the chart will be appear on the screen, and you can design this chart by different way. You click on the design tab, and you can select any design as per your wish. Here are the different designs that you can apply to your chart here from the chart style. In this way you can apply the different, and here on the left side, add the chart elements. Here are the elements. Which are the elements? Axis title. If you want to give the axis title, you can type, select anyone and you can give. And these are the chart title. Above the chart, center the chart, or anything. In this way, if you click on the none, the chart title will be see, have you seen here in the chart, the chart title will be removed. If you again add above the chart, the chart title will be come here. If this title, you can mention the names of what? The report, of class 8. In this way you can apply the chart title. And here on the bottom side, it is the legend. This is called legend. This legend also you can apply from here. Here is the legend. See, have you seen here? If you click on none, the legend will be removed from your chart. Where you want to place the legend, on right side, on the top, on the left side, or on the bottom side. Generally, we can take it as a right side. We click on the right side, the legend will appear in the right side here. So in this way, we can apply the legend, title to our chart, and different types of chart we can selecting from the chart style. Again, we can our data, switch our data from here. Switch the data means what? We can switch the rows to columns and columns to rows from here. If we are changing the data, that data will be shift in this way. Now the next type is what? The next type is line chart. What? Line chart. It also includes 2D line, 3D line. The sub chart is 2D line and 3D line chart. They are very useful displaying the continuous data. Have you seen the matches? In the matches, the run rate will be shown by using the line chart, because this chart displays the trends over the time. As the data is flowing over the time, as the data is changing over the time, that time we can use the line chart. This chart is displaying continuous data to over the time, to against over the time. So how we can use this line chart? Let us do the practical. We go in the line chart. Here, see, I delete this chart again. What you do, the same data I had copied here. If you have the data, you just select the data, you go in the insert tab, click on the line chart. Here you find out the line chart. This is the line chart. You click in the line chart. Any which type of line chart you want, that you select, and that line chart will be appears on your worksheet in this way. In this way, that line chart will be appear. Now the same thing are here. X-axis, y-axis, plot area, chart title. Then here is the legend. Legend is coming in the bottom side. By default, the legend is coming in the bottom side. If you want to change, you again go in the design tab, click on the add chart element. Here you can apply left side, bottom side, top side. You can apply left side. That will be appears on the left side, the legend. Again, this is in this way you can apply the line chart. The different line chart you can apply the different style in this way. If you want to format again, you can format the color, that you also do with the different word style. Here you can change the different word style in this way from this position. In this way you can apply the settings and designs to this chart. The next chart is pie chart. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना मैं कहाँ पर क्लिक कर रहा हूँ और कहाँ पे नहीं क्लिक कर रहा हूँ? हाँ, जितने भी चार्ट है वो एक ही जगह पे हमें मिल जाते हैं. सिर्फ कहाँ पे जाना है, इंसर्ट में जाके इलस्ट्रेशन, अब चार्ट टाइप में जाना है और अलग अलग चार्ट सिर्फ सिलेक्ट करने हैं. उससे पहले हमें सिर्फ डेटा सीरीज को सिलेक्ट करो और कोई भी चार्ट सिलेक्ट करो तो वो चार्ट वहाँ पर अपेयर हो जाता है. सब उसी टाइप से हमें कोई भी चार्ट सिलेक्ट करना है. सिर्फ चार्ट का अपीयरेंस डिफरेंस हमें दिखाई देता है और वो चार्ट किस लिए यूज किया गया है वो हमें दिखता है. अभी देखिए, अभी नेक्स्ट चार्ट दैट इज नथिंग बट द pie chart. See, pie chart. What is the pie chart? Pie chart also include the 2D pie, 3D pie chart. Means it is the sub chart, and this chart is used to show the data set. This chart is used to show the data set how item is proportional to the sum of all the items. मतलब आपके पास बहुत सारे आइटम है, उस बहुत सारे रिकॉर्ड में से कोई एक रिकॉर्ड पूरे टोटल रिकॉर्ड के साथ में उसका परसेंटेज कितना है, that percentage, that proportional relation can be we can show with the help of pie chart. मीन्स कोई रिकॉर्ड आपके पास है, उसका पूरे रिकॉर्ड के साथ कितना प्रोपोर्शन है, पूरे रिकॉर्ड के साथ उसका कितना परसेंटेज है, वो परसेंटेज हमें वो दिखाता है. मीन्स इट कैन शोइंग हाउ एन आइटम इज proportional to the sum of all items. Pie chart contribute each of value to the total value के साथ उसका वो क्या कहता है, कंट्रीब्यूशन दिखाता है. जैसे कि देखिए यहाँ पर ऊपर दिया गया है पाई चार्ट सी. मतलब यहाँ पर अभी ये थर्ड नंबर जो यहाँ पर ब्राउन कलर का जो आइटम है, ये आइटम बाकी सारे आइटम्स टोटल आइटम्स के साथ उसका परसेंटेज कितना है वो हमें शो कर रहा है. मीन्स दिस इज यूज फॉर टू शोइंग द प्रोपोर्शनल परसेंटेजेस. नाउ वी विल डू दिस प्रैक्टिकल. सी बार चार्ट, पाई चार्ट. सी I delete this chart from here. We have the data for the pie chart. We select this data, we click on the insert tab, we go in the chart types, we select any one chart, 2D chart, 3D chart. We can select 3D chart. That 3D chart will be appear, and it shows one of the data series with the total records. Now here have you seen only math record is showing with the all the students, only math record. Means how many marks will be coming in the math subject. Means it shows the one of the value, one of the series with the all total स्टूडेंट्स. मतलब मैथ में पूरे स्टूडेंट के कितने मार्क्स है वो हमें पाई चार्ट में दिखाई दे रहा है. इफ यू आर सिलेक्टिंग डिफरेंट वन, यू कैन सिलेक्ट. नाउ इन दिस वे दिस चार्ट इज appears. द सेम वे you can apply the legend on the right side, top side, left side. You can apply. You can select the different styles. If you want to select the percentage, you can also add the percentage here from selecting. In this way you can apply the different charts. If you want to change the series, you can change the series. In this way you can add. So in this way we can add the data here. Again the next is what? A bar chart. Bar chart also includes 2D bar, 3D bar, cylinder and cone sub chart. These are the sub chart that we can utilize to show our data. What is bar chart? The bar chart is has the main feature is to relate with the horizontal width. Means horizontal width is to showing the comparing the items. That horizontal width, it shows the horizontally and it compare the items with the related with other items. Means we can comparing our records with parallelly with the other records. For that purpose we can use the bar chart. So see, how can we can display the bar chart? See, here the bar chart is showing. I delete this bar chart. Second, again we select the chart. We go in the insert tab. We select the here are the bar chart. Different types of bar chart are here. You can select any one. In this way, you can select. The bar chart will be appears here. Now the same thing you can design different way. Huh? You add the legend top, we switch of the row. You can switch. Have you seen the numbers are coming in the bottom side and the subject are coming in the y-axis, means the marks is coming in the x-axis and the subject name is coming in the y-axis. If you switch row the columns, you can click on the switch row. The same data will be again displayed here and you can change it. This is called a bar chart. Now the next topic is what? Area chart. How it also includes 2D area, 3D area chart. That chart area is used to highlight the degree of it is used to highlight the degree of change over the time. If you want to change the data with period of time, that that highlightion you that highlights you can show with graphically. Now area chart, area chart is used to represent your cumulative totals. Cumulative totals means your percentage, your numbers that you can show by using this area chart. Or see how we can do. Let us do the practical. The area chart. You select the data, click on insert tab. Here is the area. How you want that you can select any one. That chart will be appears. By in this way, anyone you can select. In this way you can show your area chart. Again the same, all the things are same there. X-axis, y-axis, plot area, chart title, legend. Here legend, why this legend is important? This legend is showing your data series, or you can format this legend also. How you can format? You just right click on the legend, and here you can select the data. You click on the select the data. Here are the data. The data will be appears. The same data is appears there. If you want to remove any data, that data will be removed from your legend. See, I remove the science. The science record is removed from your chart. So in this way, what kind of data we have to show? Only that data we can show. You just right click on select the data. You again click on the science. That data will be showing again. If you want to change the x-axis data, you can change it from the last student. Okay, that last student will not appear in your chart. Again you can format. Now here the second option is the format legend. If you want to change the format means you can change their text options. How the text will become. You can change the color of your text. Different color will be coming there. See, blue color is coming in the legend text. You can apply red color. The red color will be appears in the legend text. Huh? Then again solid line. So these are the different patterns for the text and appearance. Okay, that you can apply on your chart. Now the next, is other chart. See, which are the other chart? See, we will. This is the area chart. Now the next is scatter chart. Sorry, the next is scatter chart. The scatter chart are also known as XY chart. And why this chart is used? This chart are commonly used for displaying the or comparing the numerical values. That this chart is used for comparing the numerical values. Very rarely this chart are used. Scatter chart. See how it can be used. We will see the practically. Scatter chart, we select the data, we go in the insert tab, we click on the scatter chart. See, if we are selecting the scatter chart will be appears in front of you. Here the scatter chart is coming. You can apply the different settings, different kind of styles you can apply. Here you can show, you will show your data by your numbers by comparing. Here you can compare your numbers. In this way you can comparing or showing your data. The next is other chart. Other charts are what? Other charts are there are some charts that we can show a different way. Which are that other chart? That chart are nothing but the Draftnut chart, surface chart. That chart we will show by using our data. See how we can do other charts. Here our data, select our data, go in the insert tab. Again there are certain other charts. Here are some other charts: stock, surface, radar. In this way you can select this chart. These are very rarely used. Means these other charts are used for the other purposes. Those are having a different data. So in this way you can use this chart to showing our data by different way. तो चार्ट में चार्ट कैसे इंसर्ट किया जाता है, उसको कैसे डिफरेंट स्टाइल यूज की जाती है, डेटा सीरीज कैसे कम की जाती है, ऐड की जाती है, ये सब लोगों को समझ में आया? इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? हाँ, चार्ट कैसे इंसर्ट करते हैं? हाँ, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है किसी को? Okay, now how to create the charts, that we know that. The next topic is what? How to creating a chart. See how to create the chart. I will run one video here. You can listen and watch.
Creating charts. There is a range on a sheet behind every chart. This range is known as the source data. Data series represents the data that you are plotting on a chart. Series consists of the following components. Series name. It represents the cell along with the name of the series that will appear in the legend. Series values. They represent the row or column containing the data to be presented in the form of a chart. Category labels. They represent the range containing the label that will appear along the x-axis and also are used to identify the series values. A chart has two areas, plot area and chart area. The plot area consists of the series and inner grid lines, whereas the chart area consists of the area surrounding the plot area, including the frame of the chart. The steps to create a chart are: prepare an appropriate and suitable data set. Select the data range in the data set. Click Insert tab. Select Charts group. Select the chart types, for example pie. Pie chart displays a drop-down list which contains 2D pie and 3D pie chart section. 3D pie section contains two types of charts, pie in 3D and exploded pie in 3D sections. Select Pie in 3D option. Excel will add a 3D pie chart to the sheet. The Change Chart Type button is used to change to a different type of chart from the given list. The Save As Template button is used to serve the formatting and layout of this chart as a template you can apply for future charts. The Switch Row or column swaps the data over the axis. That is, data being charted on the x-axis will move to the y-axis and vice versa. The Select Data button is used to change the data range included in the chart. The Chart Layouts group provides a list containing 7 layouts labeled as Layout 1, Layout 2, and so on till Layout 7. The Chart Styles group list provides a list containing 48 styles as Style 1, Style 2, Style 48.
Now you understand how to open the charts and how to use any sub chart, and we can change their x-axis to y-axis, y-axis to x-axis data. That is called swapping. That is called swapping of data. Again, we can apply the different styles we can apply. So these things we are familiar here. Now the next topic, that is, these are the steps. The same steps are the same steps we had learned. Now the next topic, one second. We directly come on the next, customizing a charts and legend value. Customizing a charts means we can customize or we can add the elements. If we have a record and we had already made a chart, and later we come to know that we have to add some data again, that things we are going to do by practically here. See how we can do. One of the chart we are taking here, just like column chart. Now here what this chart is already made here, and if we are adding some data, if we are using to edit some data here, now here we come to know that the Natasha got the marks in mathematics 67. If we are changing these marks by 90, 98, again 100. See, have you seen the changes in the graph? The changes automatically made in the graphs. If you are taking Aradhana to 0 marks, so what happens?